Assalamu alaikum. So today I decided to make an easy curry recipe. These are the ingredients that I have used. So I have already chopped a big onion and put it in some oil along with some curry leaves. Saute the onions until it's golden brown. Add in some ginger powder. Add in parsley, some paprika, saute it, and then add the black pepper. Now add the tomato paste. Give it a good mix. And then I have a little tin tuna. I have used 2 tins of tuna. Mix it well. Add in the green peas. I used the tinned green peas. And then some carrots. Mix it well. Add in the coconut milk. So here again I have used tinned coconut milk. I used about a cup of coconut milk. Mix it well. I have poured in some hot water, about 2 cups of hot water. Give it a good mix. Put the lid on and let it cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give it a good mix. I have cooked it in medium heat. Now I have added in some soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons, and then some garlic powder. Mix it well and let it cook for some more minutes. Add in the salt. Mix it well and let it cook for a few more minutes. Meanwhile, I have decided to make some coconut roshi. I made the dough for the roshi, and by then the curry was all done. I gave it a good mix and turned off the stove, and then carried on making the roshi. For the roshi, I rolled it quite thick because coconut roshi is pretty tasty when it's a little bit thick. So while I was cooking, there was a lot of dishes in the sink and my son helped me by washing it. So I carried on making the roshi. I have put butter on both the sides of the roshi. So actually this is coconut butter roshi. Once it is all done, of course I ate it in the Maldivian way. Mixed it all together. Everybody loved it. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.